Want to delete your Threads account for any reason? Here is how in seconds. First, open the Threads app on your iPhone. Now tap your profile icon at the bottom right corner. After that, tap the two lines at the top right to open settings. Here, tap on Account. Now choose Deactivate or Delete Profile. You'll see two options here. If you choose Deactivate Profile, your profile posts, likes and followers will be hidden temporarily until you log back in again. But if you choose Delete Profile, your Threads account will be permanently removed after 30 days. During those 30 days, your content stays hidden and you can still cancel the deletion by logging back in. So choose the option you want. If you tap Deactivate, just confirm it by tapping Deactivate Profile. And if you tap Delete, you may be asked to enter your password first. Then tap Delete Threads Profile, and that's it. Done. Your Threads account is now deactivated or scheduled for deletion. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick iPhone tips.